The clock is ticking, and David Stern has gone on record publicly as saying, just in his opinion, that if there were not a deal today, his gut told him that there would not even be NBA basketball games on Christmas. I'd much rather be covering basketball than covering the business of basketball. It's all very important. It's a $4 billion industry, and people want to make sure that they get taken care of properly. But really, when it comes down to it, it's important to the fans to be able to see the game, see the players that they love, root for the teams that they like, watch the telecast. There are a lot of people that work in jobs related to NBA games, concessions, parking, restaurants near arenas. They're all affected by the lockout. So it's quite a trickle-down effect to people, both in terms of their spirits and their pocketbooks.